To apply your vinyl decal, you will need a clean, lint-free cloth, scissors, tape measure, a level, painter's masking tape, spray bottle with plain water, and a squeegee or other burnishing tool. Start by unboxing your vinyl decal. Unroll the decal and allow it to acclimate to room temperature for about 30 minutes. Use the squeegee tool to flatten out the decal. Choose a smooth painted surface to apply the decal to. Make sure the paint is stable and completely dry before applying. All surfaces should be considered dirty and must be cleaned prior to application of vinyl decals. Clean the area where the decal will be applied. For smooth, non-porous surfaces such as glass and painted metal, rubbing alcohol is recommended. For all other surfaces, use only water. Always pre-test any cleaning agent in an inconspicuous area before cleaning the entire surface. Make sure surface is completely dry before proceeding to the next step. Tear off 2 small pieces of masking tape and place them in the upper corners of your vinyl decal. Tack the decal on the wall in the approximate location you want it to be applied. Use your measuring tape and level to fine-tune the exact position of the decal. Once you are satisfied with the position of your decal, place 2 strips of masking tape on each end of the decal. Place another strip of masking tape vertically through the center of the decal, making sure it adheres firmly above and below the decal. This vertical tape will act as a center hinge. Use your squeegee tool as a straight edge to tear the masking tape on one end. Lift the decal and liner from that end and fold it back on itself, using a small piece of masking tape to temporarily hold it in place while you carefully pull the release liner away from that side of the decal. Continue to pull the release liner away from the decal until you are close to the vertical center hinge. As you remove the release liner, make sure the decal remains stuck to the application tape and not to the paper release liner. Cut the paper release liner with scissors and discard. Remove the small piece of masking tape and lightly tack the right side of the decal back into place. Starting from the center vertical hinge, use the squeegee to burnish the decal down onto the wall surface. Burnish with medium to firm pressure in overlapping passes, applying about 1/2 inch of the decal with each pass. Now repeat the process for the other half of the decal. Remove the center hinge tape and carefully tear the strip of masking tape on the other end of the decal. Again, fold the decal back on itself. Use a small piece of tape to hold it in place while you carefully remove the remaining release liner. Remove the small piece of tape and lightly tack the left side of the decal back into place. Starting from the center, burnish the left side of the decal onto the wall surface using the same technique as before. Slowly and carefully remove application tape at 180 degrees, pulling it back on itself, making sure all parts of the decal remain adhered to the wall surface and not to the application tape as you remove it. Check the entire decal for bubbles. If bubbles are found, use a needle to puncture the center of the bubble. After puncturing, allow a few seconds for air to escape, then gently press down over the area. With your fingers, gently rub over the vinyl and the edges of each letter to assure proper adhesion to the surface.